Welcome to TechMinds, your go-to channel for all things agriculture and heavy machinery. Let's explore the world of innovation together. The Big Bud KTA 525 is a powerhouse in the agricultural industry, renowned for its immense strength and efficiency. This tractor is designed for heavy-duty farming operations, capable of handling the most challenging tasks with ease. With a robust engine and a durable build, the Big Bud KTA 525 stands out for its reliability and performance. The heart of the Big Bud KTA 525 is its powerful engine, which delivers impressive horsepower to tackle extensive agricultural fields. This machine is equipped with a turbocharged diesel engine, ensuring efficient fuel consumption while providing the necessary power for various farming activities. The tractor's large fuel tank capacity allows for extended operation hours, minimizing downtime and enhancing productivity. One of the key features of the Big Bud KTA 525 is its advanced hydraulic system. This system provides precise control over the tractor's attachments, enabling farmers to perform tasks such as plowing, tilling, and planting with exceptional accuracy. The hydraulics are designed to handle heavy loads, making the Big Bud KTA 525 an ideal choice for large-scale farming operations. The ASA-Lift TC1010 is a specialized machine designed for the efficient harvesting of root crops. This harvester is engineered to provide high performance and reliability, making it a valuable asset for farmers engaged in root crop production. The TC1010 features an innovative lifting system that gently lifts crops from the ground, minimizing damage and ensuring high-quality produce. The machine is equipped with adjustable lifting elements that can be customized to suit different crop types and soil conditions. This flexibility allows farmers to achieve optimal harvesting results, regardless of the specific requirements of their crops. One of the standout features of the ASA-Lift TC1010 is its efficient cleaning system. The harvester is designed to remove soil and debris from the crops, ensuring that only clean produce is collected. This system significantly reduces the need for post-harvest cleaning, saving time and labor costs. The Krone Swadro TC1570 and TC2000 are advanced windrowers designed to streamline the forage harvesting process. These machines are known for their exceptional performance, durability, and efficiency, making them a popular choice among farmers. Both the TC1570 and TC2000 are equipped with high-capacity rotors that ensure uniform and consistent windrows. The rotors are designed to handle large volumes of forage, allowing for faster and more efficient harvesting. The machines also feature adjustable working widths, providing flexibility to adapt to different field conditions and crop types. The Krone Swadro windrowers are designed with ease of use in mind. They are equipped with intuitive controls that allow operators to make adjustments quickly and easily. The Krone Easy Cut B880CV CR Collect and B1050CV are high-performance mowers designed for efficient and precise cutting of forage crops. These machines are built to deliver exceptional cutting quality while maximizing productivity. The B880CV CR Collect features an innovative collecting system that ensures clean and even windrows. This system minimizes crop losses and ensures that the maximum amount of forage is collected. The B1050CV, on the other hand, is equipped with a robust cutter bar that delivers precise and consistent cutting performance. Both mowers are designed with advanced suspension systems that ensure smooth operation, even in uneven terrain. The Grimm Prios 440 is a versatile seed drill designed for efficient and precise seeding of various crops. This machine is known for its reliability, ease of use, and high performance, making it a valuable tool for farmers. The Prios 440 features an advanced seeding system that ensures uniform seed placement and optimal soil coverage. The machine is equipped with adjustable seed depth and spacing settings, allowing farmers to customize the seeding process to suit their specific needs. This flexibility ensures that crops are sown at the ideal depth and spacing for optimal growth and yield. One of the key features of the Grimm Prios 440 is its robust construction. The machine is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. The Mangle SF300 Combine Harvester is a cutting-edge machine designed for efficient and high-quality harvesting of various crops. This harvester is known for its advanced features, reliability, and ease of use, making it an essential tool for modern farming operations. The SF300 is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers exceptional performance, even in challenging conditions. The machine features an advanced threshing system that ensures clean and efficient separation of grain from the chaff. This system minimizes grain losses and ensures that the harvested grain is of the highest quality. One of the standout features of the Mangle SF300 is its spacious grain tank. The tank has a large capacity, allowing for extended operation without the need for frequent unloading. This feature enhances the efficiency of the harvesting process, as farmers can cover more ground in less time. The Amazon Catros Plus 73D to Pro is a high-performance disc harrow designed for efficient soil preparation. This machine is known for its robust construction, ease of use, and exceptional performance, making it a valuable tool for farmers. The Catros Plus 73D to Pro features an advanced disc system that ensures thorough soil mixing and optimal seedbed preparation. The machine is equipped with adjustable working depth and angle settings, allowing farmers to customize the soil preparation process to suit their specific needs. This flexibility ensures that the soil is prepared to the ideal conditions for optimal crop growth and yield. One of the key features of the Amazon Catros Plus 73D to Pro is its robust construction. The machine is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. The ROC RT8-4OM is a high-capacity windrower designed for efficient forage harvesting. This machine is known for its exceptional performance, durability, and ease of use, making it a popular choice among farmers. The RT840M features a robust rotor system that ensures uniform and consistent windrows. The machine is equipped with adjustable working width and height settings, providing flexibility to adapt to different field conditions and crop types. This flexibility ensures that the forage is harvested at the ideal conditions for optimal quality and yield. One of the standout features of the ROC RT8-4OM is its user-friendly design. The machine is equipped with intuitive controls that allow operators to make adjustments quickly and easily. The Verve Machinery Q62 is a versatile and efficient machine designed for various agricultural tasks. This machine is known for its reliability, ease of use, and high performance, making it a valuable tool for farmers. The Q62 features an advanced hydraulic system that ensures precise control over the machine's attachments. This system allows farmers to perform tasks such as plowing, tilling, and planting with exceptional accuracy. The machine is also equipped with a powerful engine that delivers impressive performance, even in challenging conditions. One of the key features of the Verve Machinery Q62 is its robust construction. The machine is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. John Deere's Hedgie STS sprayers are advanced machines designed for efficient and precise application of pesticides and fertilizers. These sprayers are known for their exceptional performance, reliability, and ease of use, making them a valuable tool for farmers. The Hedgie STS sprayers feature an advanced spray system that ensures uniform and consistent application of chemicals. The machines are equipped with adjustable spray settings, allowing farmers to customize the application process to suit their specific needs. This flexibility ensures that crops receive the ideal amount of chemicals for optimal growth and yield. One of the standout features of John Deere's Hedgie STS sprayers is their robust construction. The machines are built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use, ensuring long-lasting performance and durability. The Hedgie STS sprayers are also designed with ease of maintenance in mind, with accessible components and straightforward maintenance procedures.